Mandarins are harvested by clipping fruit with special snips. There are different kinds of snips. See the separate video or the Citrus Harvest Handbook for more information. To clip the fruit, lightly lay the snips on top of the fruit at the base of the stem and snip the fruit. Snip the fruit as low as possible to the base of the stem. Do not leave high stems. High stems will damage and puncture other fruit. Trim off stems that are too high. Be careful not to scrape or cut fruit with the snips. Do not cut bunches of fruit down, as this can damage next season's fruiting wood. Do not pull fruit down. This can damage the top of the fruit. Use a ladder to pick high fruit. Double clipping is used to pick mandarins not in close reach, or on some orchards it is a requirement for snipping all fruit. Snip the fruit at an easily accessible spot about 2 to 10 centimeters above the fruit. Bring the fruit closer to yourself, then snip the fruit. On some orchards, mandarin picking bins might be covered with a cloth to protect them from sun and heat damage. Do not throw mandarins into picking bags. Always place the fruit into bags.